guys, Woods family here. We are getting family photos today at the farm because we got perfect fall color out here and the weather's nice and it's feeling fall-like. So this is what I look like without a hat on. So follow along. After we get done with family photos here, we'll throw the drone up in the air and we'll take a look at all these beautiful fall colors that are around the property here. So follow along, let's have a little fun. Here we go. Thanks for checking us out today, guys. Sorry the sun is down, the moon is up, and this video and the drone video is probably a little bit grainy. If you want to see more drone footage around the farm, just let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber already, consider doing so. You can keep up with all the work that we're doing out here on the farm. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.